So most of you are asking that can we use the GitHub repo present in your description box for completing the labs? Is there any issue in completing the labs using the GitHub repository? So let me address this. There is no issue on using the GitHub repo. Why I'm telling you, some of you are saying that most of the YouTubers are saying that avoid GitHub repo, otherwise your swags will be cancelled or maybe your order will be deleted or you won't be able to get the swags in simple words. But coming to their tutorials, if you just see over here, what do you see? They are having the same file. If you just see instead of the sh file, sorry, they are just adding the code like this. Okay, they are just adding the code like this. Either they'll copy from here and paste on the lab, or simply they'll open a node and simply, first of all, they'll copy the code from my GitHub repository and then paste in their personal repository and change the name, or simply they'll just open the notepad and paste the same code. Just analyze the video. Don't trust me blindly. Just analyze their tutorials and my tutorials. You will see whatever things I am doing in the video in my tutorial, ditto, same to same, word by word, everything will be there. And you may be thinking that why you are saying the solution may be same, but it cannot be same for everyone. There is a different style of writing, there is different style of coding, there is different style of generating the script or tutorial. Okay, so if you see all things one by one similar, then something is surely fishy. I have also observed, and I'm not linking anyone's name because I have observed their history, and there it's obvious they have changed the name from, if I just show you, they have changed the name from this file, okay, to their YouTube channel name file. Okay, so it can be easily detected if you know about GitHub and if you have worked. Okay, if you are really working on cloud and you know this basic thing, then it will become very easy for understanding. Like who is copying the code and who is not copying the code. Also, as I posted the solution, now everyone's lab issue has been resolved. You can clearly see I was the first to post a video, and you can clearly see I have posted the video earlier. Okay, now everyone is just posting the tutorial, and there is no issue in posting the tutorial, but at least give some credits for the original owner who have just created the code. And if you are just copy pasting, you can just add the channel link in the description box. Blindly copy pasting and caring sharing that you have done all the work, it is also okay, but the problem is that when you are sharing, that GitHub account will be getting banned, you won't be getting the prizes, and you yourself are sharing the GitHub link directly or just sharing the same code in your description box, then it's not better and it's not correct. Okay, if you are honest, just honest with everyone and just follow the tutorial guidelines. If you want, just make a tutorial manually, help people to understand the cloud. Don't just copy paste anyone's else tutorial. It's a result of their hard work, and you're just going to their GitHub repository directly and just finding the SSH file and just copying it blindly. Okay, blindly, word by word. Just do one thing, just check their tutorial and my tutorial, you'll find everything word by word. They'll just remove the tag and comments. For example, if I have mentioned creation of buckets over here, some will just change it, some will just remove it, or some will just paste the entire file like this. Okay, so this is the quick update I wanted to share. Okay, so if you're asking that will our GitHub repo, will using GitHub repo from your channel will get our account banned? So if it gets banned, you can clearly see most of the participants have already claimed the swags. Also, the people who are claiming to avoid GitHub repo are themselves also using. You can just see their tutorial too. They are just sharing the GitHub repo directly and claiming that if I just post this code, okay, this code means genuine code. And if I just make this file bundle into a SH file, okay, then it becomes script. See what the brain, what the knowledge of cloud they are having, that they are not knowing a basic thing. Means if I'm using directly this thing, means it is genuine practice. We can do it easily. But if I use a SH file, then it becomes a script and we are doing automation. Okay. So I cannot comment more on this. You are smart enough to understand. Okay. So this was the quick update because most of you are asking, should we, one YouTuber is saying that avoid GitHub at all costs. Do not complete labs using GitHub, and he is himself sharing the GitHub repository. Also, most of them are just copying blindly also. So this I thought to make you clear that everyone is using the same tutorial. Just analyze the code. You are smart enough to analyze the code also. You'll see everything will be copy paste. Now, if you want to know how I am saying that they are just copying. See, completing this lab, there are multiple methods to complete this lab. So you can see I have just used the directly project variable over here. Okay. if they wanted to make a solution, they could have did something unique. For example, instead of using this project variable, which is fetched from the lab instructions directly, they could have done one thing, that they could have exported the old bucket name, then new bucket name, and then they could have directly added the bucket over here and created all the commands manually. But what they did, they just copy pasted and made the solution. So in simple words, do not worry about these rumors. You can use the GitHub repo. There is no issue. Also avoid such channels which makes fails false claims. Okay. So that's all about this video. Complete solutions are live. Make sure to check it out and do like the video and subscribe the channel. If you still have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section, and thank you. Have a great day.